it's Emily from WTI. This is the Binceen 7-day pill organizer for night and day. I got this for my husband because he's really made it a goal to be much better about taking his daily supplements and vitamins, but he's so busy and on the go that he needs something that's both manly, cool looking, kind of like a tech gadget, and so much better than these. Aren't these just an eyesore? Well, all of that was answered in this product. This pill organizer has been so fun.
My favorite features of this organizer are that it's divided by morning and evening, so you can separate out your AM and PM medications and supplements. I also love that each compartment for medications functions independent of the organizer. So if you just want to grab one day on the go, you can do that. You don't have to take the whole organizer with you. I also love that each compartment really has a large capacity. So you're able to put a lot of supplements and medications in there, which means you can use this for everything you take, which is really convenient. It's also made with BPA-free plastic and it's just beautifully and quality designed.
So if you're looking for a pill organizer that's both techy, cool, kind of masculine, but like really functional, I think this is the one for you. But that's just my point of view.